What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, we are possibly going to trade the is250. I've been talking to someone who has a 335 and they want to trade the is250 for the 335. So we're going to meet up today, but the first thing I got to do is put brand new tires on this car, get it washed in detail, to make it look presentable. So let's head to the tire shop. Replacing the tires on the Lexus right now. I was gonna do just one tire, but I got an offer for 4 tires, so for $200. Let's see what happens. Back up a little bit. Sorry for the highlight. The phone I'm recording on is not so good, so I apologize for the focus issue. And eventually I'll buy a camera to actually do this stuff, but I'll maybe just record on my iPhone. So a quick walk around. Alright guys, so the trade deal that I went to do did not go through, so I just decided to replace the rear hub. I've been having issues with this hub because it's not reading the sensor. Sometimes it reads the sensor, sometimes it doesn't. So I am about to replace it. Already took the rotors, the tire rotors, everything off, brakes, and this is the replacement right here. Alright, there are 4 studs, and these are hex. There is 7, I believe 7mm hex right here. I'll show you guys. To take those out, including the axle nut that goes here. Okay, there we go. We got the old hub out, and we're gonna put the new one in. All right. Jeez. Alright y'all, I just finished installing the left rear wheel bearing. I adjust everything as I should and took the car for a ride, and everything is fine. The lights went away, so basically what I'm doing right now is running diagnostic and clearing the codes. As you can see, everything is green. Most likely everything is green. No check engine light, nothing. Just the tire pressure sensor as you can see right here. Well, it says solar sensor. Okay, that's different. That's concerning the air conditioning. Just a minute. Alright, and my TPMS sensor. You know, I need just one new sensor. What else? Basically, no agent codes, no transmission codes, and you know the car is all good. Yeah. So that's basically it. Next thing I probably need to do, or I think I should do, I just want to replace all the brakes and rotors. I'm thinking about going with I think they're called Power Stop or Power Stopper or something like that, but I want to go with ceramic drill slotted rotors all around, but that's gonna cost probably close to $1,000, and I don't think I'm willing to spend that much on this car as for now. So yeah. Alright guys, the Lexus is basically completed. As you guys can see, sorry I got cleaned up some of this stuff I put on here by accident, but no check engine light, everything has been cleared out, no ABS, everything is fixed, except it needs a TPMS sensor, and that's about it, bro. That's it. She's fixed. Yeah.